Do you think I'm human? No, I am an AI avatar. So, in today's video, we'll learn how you can generate AI videos using your own avatar. Every day, we will get free 50 credits and we are able to generate 3 AI free videos per video's duration 10 seconds. So, let's get started.
Okay, welcome friends. Today we'll learn how to create a professional avatar using OmniFlash. So for this, first of all, you have to go our Chrome browser. This is my Chrome browser, and I will search Google Labs Flow. Then click on Enter. After that, we can see first link Google Flow AI Creative Studio for Video Image Custom Tools. Just click the first link. Okay, nice. Now we can see something like that. Now just click on create with Google Flow. Click on it. After that, I see it's login. Okay, after logging this, we can see our profile. Then just click on my photos and see create avatar and manage membership, etc. So first of all, I have to create avatar. Just click on it, then get started. Okay, so we can see there is a scanner, so we have to scan this and using my phone. After that, it will give me a process to create avatar. So let's go. My phone is okay, so already create my avatar successfully. Then you can see manage avatar. So right now, click on new project. So after that, we have to select our avatar. For this, click on plus icon and this me, my avatar, and I have to add some prompt on here. Okay, after that, we are in my phone screen. So nice, we are in my phone screen. Then scan this QR code. After open in browser. Okay, nice, I agree. Next. Now we start. '65, '64, '55, '16, '37, '16, '37, '76, '16, '37, '76, turn right, middle. Now turn left. middle. Okay, that's fine, it will upload. So it takes some time to uploading my avatar. Just wait some time. Oh, nice, it's finished. Okay, so already create my avatar successfully. Then you can see manage avatar. So right now click on new project. So after that we have to select our avatar. For this, click on plus icon, and this me, my avatar, and I have to add some prompt on here. Okay, after that my avatar have to wear formal dress. Okay, nice. What I will write this font. The background of my video will be professional studio with few computers behind, and there will be microphone font my mouth, maintained the professionally, and my avatar have to wear formal dress. So my avatar, what say my avatar? My avatar say, do you think I am human? No, I am an AI avatar. So today's videos we will learn how you can generate AI video using your own avatar. So let's get started. So just click on arrow button. It's processing, it's take time some for processing. Okay, nice. So they send a message for us. I am going to generate AI video featuring your avatar speaking the professional studio environment. Would you like to kick off this video? One video generated costing 15 credits. So let's approve. So already we have 50 credits for free. Every day we will get free 15 credits on Google OmniFlash. So this is our Google OmniFlash. Our video already generated. Our video already processing to generate. So already finished 8%. Wait sometime it will go 100%, then we can see output. every day you can create it. Every video is duration 10 seconds for free. Our video almost generated. Wow, nice output. So just open this video.
Do you think I'm human? No. So, in today's video, we'll learn how you can generate AI videos using your own avatar. So, let's get started.
Okay, nice. So